Chapter 1, Basics of Sailing, and we will go through the essentials of sailing and really how to sail and how to use our sail according to the relative wind that we have on our boat. We start today with run and reach. So we have the wind from above, and we start when we're sailing with the wind come over the transom from the stern, and that's kind of obvious that we actually can sail that way. We take our main sail, and we have our main sail and we let it out, ease the sheets to catch up as much wind as possible. And if we can, we will take our jib or Genoa, our head sails, and take it on the other side. So this is called run. And when we are sailing with the sails on different sides, we call it gullwing or wing to wing, or actually there's many more words for it, but gullwing or wing to wing, and it's a run. And we have the sheets east like this. I hope you can see this. Running. If we're sailing a dinghy, we have to take care of where we sit, because we cannot sit in any place in the boat. So actually the most power is forward, not that much power is sideways, so the boat won't heel that much. So we will sit pretty much in the middle, and in most runs, if it's not really hard run, we sit pretty much forward. Try to sit more forward in the boat. That's it. Then we come to the next ones, and then when we sail along the wind, with the wind from our back over the stern. We sail with the wind from the side of the boat, and we can even sail a little upwind. All of these we call reach. And this is a broad reach. This is a beam reach, and this is a close reach. And what to do with the sails? Well, the sails, when we do in the broad reach, we still have pretty much out on the side, away from the wind, so on the leeward side of the boat, obviously, else they would go over, and both for main and head sails. When we go in beam reach, we sheet in a little, so we sheet in a little, both with the main and jibs. You see they follow each other. And then we go in close, you sheet in even more, but not totally in, but more. Close reach. So broad reach, beam reach, close reach, and this is the run. How to sheet? Well, you have the sheet here, you let the sheets out and sheet in. The more you head up, we call this head up, when you're going closer to the wind, going higher. We have many words for this, as you hear. When we head up, going closer to the wind, we also sheet in the sails. You see, between this run, we have the main on our port side, and on this broad reach, we have the main on our starboard side. So in here we have made a jibe. and we will talk more about the jibe in another video. So run, broad beam, close reach, and where to sit. Well, if you're sailing the dinghy, you perhaps sit here on the side. If it's a heavy wind, you sit a little more out. If it's really heavy, you're also going back, because else the boat will go over. If it's a big boat, well, doesn't matter. Small keel boats, you have to sit on the side. Here you pretty much sit somewhere here and somewhere here, and if it's a little more wind, you have to hike out, which is fun. On a big boat, well, really big boat, doesn't matter really because it's too big, but still a keel boat, but not too big, you should sit on the side. Try to sit more forward so you will not be in the way for your tiller and tiller extension, so you can actually steer without having the tiller on your knees. So sit more forward than you think. Okay, this is the basic theory for the sailing, run and reach, and next video is for going up the wind, going close haul. Okay, see you in a while.